Good morning, everyone. My name is Mrs. Rajkumari Chauhan. I teach in Anjuman Islam A. Khatkate English Secondary School. Today, I am going to explain you a topic of English Standard 5th, all about money. So let's begin with the topic. So here I have shown you some images. Let's see the image. A house, food, and clothes. We all know these are the basic needs of human being. We can't survive without this. Then we have many more things like example like car, a doctor, medicine, mobile phone, degrees, and so on. If a man or human being has a house, he thinks of having a bungalow, isn't it? As we say, wants are unlimited. So if a person even has a small house, he needs a bungalow. Then he needs a furniture, television, car, ornaments, and so on. Still, we are not satisfied. And it's a normal human nature. So we can simply say that our wants are unlimited. And to buy all these things, what we need? Yes, we need money. So you can see money is one of the important aspects to buy all these products. Isn't it? Yes. So money is something very, very important. We all need money to buy things and to pay people who work for us. But what is money? Who invented money? So let's see. Today we see money in the form of coins and notes. So let's see Indian money. The notes we have 5 rupee notes, which is in light green color. Then we have 10 rupee note, which is again brownish in color. Then again we have 20 rupee note, which is again a fluorescent green in color. Then we have 50 rupee note. Again it is, you can say, bluish in color, not bluish, mixture of greenish and bluish color. Then we have a 100 rupee note, which is again purple in color. 500 dark green in color. And then 2000 note, which is dark pink in color. So these are the notes which we have. We can call it as Indian rupee note. In coins, if we see, we have 50 paisa, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and also 10 rupee coin. So these are the currency or cash money which we find in India. So as we have in India, we call it, these are the coins that and notes we use in India. But different countries use different coins and notes. Their money is different. And they call it with different names also. Let's see here. Yeah. You can see here the map. Can anyone name it? Yes, it is United Kingdom. So in United Kingdom, we find the symbol of pounds. So there we find pounds. You can see a note of pound. Now we can see the map of America. Now here we will see the symbol which they use as currency is dollars. Now this is a dollar note. Same way in India we have the symbol of rupee. And we all know this is the rupee note. So in same way, different countries have different names of their notes. But long ago, people did not use coins and notes. They exchanged one thing for another. And this was known as barter system. So they used to fulfill their needs just by exchanging the things which they needed. Take example, if in my field I grow wheat, I used to exchange it with the person which I needed. Like I needed rice, so I used to exchange my wheat with rice. So that is called as barter system. It may seem unbelievable, but long ago people even used special stones as money. Imagine how difficult it must have been to carry this money. So these are the stones which they used to use as money. People also used bricks of salt, shells and cowries as money in the past. So this is cowries. This is also the shape of cowries, shells, and this is the bricks of salt. So this was also used as money. They gave grain, farm produce, cattle, goats, chickens, etc. in return for things like clothes, tools and implements or as wages. So indirectly this also you can call it as barter system. Then they began to use bits of precious metals like gold, silver and copper as money. It was easier to carry this money around because we knew that stones was difficult to carry, but these coins which was made up of gold, silver and copper was comparatively easier to carry. Now let's see the first paper currency. Yes, paper money was first used in China about 1000 years ago. So you can see here the first note. Yes, this is the first note which was invented by China. Remember this, paper money or notes have no value of their own, but a note is a promise. You can see here, there is a promissory note to give that much money. See, I will show you the promissory note which is signed by the governor. Yes. You can see here, I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 200 rupees and signature of the governor. So this gives importance to that money. These notes are printed by the government. No one else is allowed to print these notes. So I hope you all understood that how it was invented and how it is so very important in our life. So you must see your money. You must be very careful with our money. Use your money very systematically. You should not write on the notes or tear it or crumple the notes. So this is how sometimes the people damage. So we need to take care of the money, which is very important. So the thing I can tell you is that you should also be careful when you spend money. People have to work hard to earn money. We all know that our parents put lot of efforts to earn money. Many a times they work at night, which overtime or extra work. They put lot of efforts and they earn this money. So please give importance and use it very systematically. So use the money wherever you need it, wherever you feel that it is important. It is not a wastage. So please don't waste your money. Use your money systematically where it is important. The things which you feel that it is the first preference for you to buy. Then only use your money. So it's just this chapter is all about money, the importance, how it was invented, how it has come up, and how you need to be very careful for it. That's all for today. Thank you, students, for listening to me so patiently. Thank you very much.